Hello, guys. Welcome back. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. We just started our live stream right now. We are going to be talking about MicroAlgo. Does anyone watching know about MicroAlgo? Uh, and we have so many news about MicroAlgo. So many news about their stock movement. Yes. Actually, there is news that came out 17 minutes ago, 17 hours ago, actually, from Chip Ranks. They're talking about MicroAlgo. It says MicroAlgo Inc. expands capital with convertible notes. So this is an update from MicroAlgo. I can actually try to input it into my live broadcast so that you guys can see it. Let me do that. Let me try to see if I can take all of it. Um, okay, how you guys doing? We're just warming up. Welcome everybody into the live stream. Kindly feel free to follow, guys, to subscribe, to also stay in the live broadcast. And let's see. So I'm trying to put a page of, there you go. So let me put it down here. Yep. So there you go, guys. Um, so there you go. This is the article that I'm reading about. MicroAlgo Inc. expands with convertible notes. Um, so this is news. It came out 17 hours ago. So let me make sure that I really do something here. So welcome to the live show, guys. We are just starting the live broadcast right now. We're going to be talking about MicroAlgo. So let me just read. You can go check it out there, guys. I'll read it for you, but this is the heading: MicroAlgo Inc. expands capital with convertible notes. If you're interested in this company, maybe if you didn't know, now you know this is an update. So MicroAlgo Inc. has announced the sale of 30 million in unsecured convertible promissory notes due 2025, which can be converted into ordinary shares with legal advice provided by Cayman Island Council. This move, part of a registration statement initially filed with the SEC in December 2023, aims to bolster the company's capital through strategic agreements with purchasers. Shareholders and potential investors are assured that the shares upon issue will be fully paid and non-accessible as per Cayman Islands law. So yeah, this is for update for the Cayman Islands. Cayman Islands is a country. Uh, so this is part of an investment in the Cayman Islands. So I just wanted to update you guys. So if you've got people who are monitoring this company, MicroAlgo Inc., then there is news for you. You can go read further. I was just giving you a small update. Okay, so now let's go back to our presentation. Let me remove this. It's done its part. So I will delete that and we start our live broadcast. So yeah, so let's go. So MicroAlgo, we're going to be talking about MicroAlgo. So let's go in. So there we go, MicroAlgo. This is the breakdown of our presentation or our case study. Um, this is a company profile and also stock analysis report that we do over here on my YouTube channel. So I select lots of companies and I just come and like current companies, and obviously all these companies are on the stock exchange. And I just do a case study. We dive we dig deep. We take a deep dive and we dig deep into these companies. We begin from analyzing where they're from, company profile, what they're involved in, what's been currently happening to these companies, especially on the stock exchange. And also, we will try to analyze a bit of their stock charts and see where valuation of their stocks, etc. So feel free to follow the channel. Feel free to stay, feel free to comment. Okay, so this is our breakdown. MicroAlgo is going to start with the introduction, new analysis, technical analysis, summary, potential stock targets. Okay, so this is sort of like what we're going to be doing today. So let me move on. MicroAlgo MLG, so that is their logo, as you can see there. So MicroAlgo, the holding company of MicroAlgo Inc. Incorporated, is WiMi Hologram Cloud Inc., a NASDAQ listed company. So they're listed on the NASDAQ, which holds approximately 63.32% of MicroAlgo's equity. Okay, shares, equity, securities. WiMi Holography, as a comprehensive holographic cloud technology solution provider, focuses on holographic cloud services. Well, there's a lot of clouds out there, mainly gathering in professional fields such as car-mounted AR holographic HUD. Please, someone tell me in the comments, do you understand this industry, holographic AR and stuff? 3D holographic pulse LiDAR or LiDAR, head-mounted optical field holographic equipment, holographic semiconductor, holographic cloud software, holographic car navigation, metaverse, holographic AR, VR equipment, metaverse, holographic cloud software, etc. MicroAlgo service scope includes algorithm optimization, accelerated computing power with hardware upgrades, lightweight data processing, and data intelligence services. So MicroAlgo's ability to efficiently provide software and hardware, that is what I understand, software and hardware optimization to customers through customized central processing algorithms is a driving force for its long-term development. Okay, so they offer solutions. So let's read on. MicroAlgo news analysis. So what's been happening in the news? So let's take a deep dive. Let's find out what's been happening in the news concerning MicroAlgo. So you can see there we've got a chart, page from the stock exchange. This should be from it should be Yahoo Finance, if I'm not mistaken, or Session. MicroAlgo Inc., they are listed on the NASDAQ, we read that, announced to jointly establish a micro consciousness quantum research center with WiMi, NASDAQ WiMi. So there we go. MicroAlgo Inc. So this is just news that what's been going on, coming out a few days ago on June the 4th. You guys can go look it up as well. Let me see. You can just go on Google right now, type MicroAlgo. I'm sure all these things, yes, it's there from 2 days ago. Actually, marketbusinessinsider.com also has it. Yep, so it's been widely reported. Google Finance. So this is a big move that they did. And this made their stock soar. Actually, this collaboration that they did, it made their stock price soar. Because I'm seeing here, Yahoo Finance has WiMi announced to jointly establish a micro consciousness quantum research center with MicroAlgo. That is at Yahoo Finance. A journal transcript: MicroAlgo Inc. and WiMi announced joint establishment of micro consciousness quantum research. And so, and also from There are so many articles about this, so you guys can go and read if you want. Okay. So we also have this one. This one is really important, which says MicroAlgo stock soars usually on a research collaboration initiative. We'll talk about this one later. Let's go back to our presentation. So MicroAlgo Inc, MLGO, the company or MicroAlgo, today announced the MicroAlgo and WiMi will jointly establish a microconsciousness quantum research center. It will integrate physics, mathematics, medicine, genetics, computer science, biology, polymer, chemistry, philosophy, psychology, sociology, and many other disciplines to form a comprehensive research institute based on various disciplines centered on consciousness. As soon as the news came out, yeah, MLG rose as high as over 700%. Imagine a stock jumping or rising its price over 700%. As soon as they announced this news came out, their stock jumped up by 700%. So you can see there a plus on the chart there. It's a plus 700%, plus 669.87%, roughly 700. And also, yeah, so that's MicroAlgo closing at 4 p.m. So they closed pretty strong. They had an upside of $10. So they gained $10.45. And then this was at when business closed at 4:10 p.m. edit. So I think this is when the news just came out. And then this caused a spike or a soar in the price. But then also we have after hours trading. You can see that there was sort of like a decline there, 870, and also a minus 3.31% decline, which is 27.56%. So you can already see how the stock performed on that one day. When it opened, when stocks opened, you see it was trading at around $5. Around $5. This is from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. But on this day, the highest that they had was almost close to $15. You can see there the highest peak was. So it was going up. You notice that beginning around 10 o'clock, the stock started soaring up. The price of stock started going up, and it reached a peak of almost $15. I'm thinking, let me really see. Yes, about around $15. And then it's around 12 o'clock, it fell down, but it traded steadily. It fell down by about half the price, I'm thinking here. And it maintained stability, and then it closed at 870. So I think it closed well. It closed, that is after hours trading, after hours closure. So it closed at a better price compared to the price that it opened at. Okay, because it opened around $5. So there were gains. There were gains for this stock. Okay, there were gains for this stock. So you can see there. And also I have another article here. MicroAlgo Inc. Stock surged on the US markets today following the company's announcement of a joint research initiative focused on microconsciousness and quantum mechanics. As of the latest market updates, MLG shares witnessed a staggering 359.07% increase, reaching a price of 7. So this was earlier on. This is when the news just came out, and so these people at Stock Telegraph, they just publish it, and they're saying, but that time the shares had gone up by 359% and had reached a price of 722. So this is before that what you see in the graph there. This is before 12 12 o'clock. This is before 12 o'clock. So if you notice closely, around 10 o'clock, just about 10 o'clock, thereabout, 10 o'clock going into 11, the stock was at $7.50. Do you see that part? 10 o'clock at the bottom there, you look just above 10 o'clock, you see that the price was around $7.50. This is when they produced this article, 722, 750 thereabout. So that just that announcement that they did, that collaboration, it helped boost their stock price. So this is, it's news, guys. You know, with the stock exchange and with this company and with stocks, any news of any major acquisition or merger or partnership, it causes stock prices to soar or go up. Okay, there you go. But then when it closed, it went back to 870, which is still, it gained. So the stock gained, because if you look there, guys, at around when the stock market, when it opened, okay, it opened at $5. Okay, when it opened at $5, and when it closed at $8.70. Okay, so there were gains that were recorded. With the highest price going all the way up there to almost close to $15. And when day trading closed, it was at 12.50. So day trading closed, it was at 12. Yep, it was 12. And then after hours, when after hours closed, it was at $8.70. So some good gains here. So let's go. Let's quickly go forward. News analysis. Research in basic science is a long process that requires a long-term commitment from scientists. At the same time, it also requires the support and promotion from the society and enterprises. Against the backdrop, MicroAlgo and WiMi plan to establish a micro-consciousness quantum research center together, aiming to utilize the characteristics of quantum theory combined with the most cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology to study the relationship between consciousness and quantum. A step in the right direction. Continuously explore the deep science, and these are deep sciences, okay, to unify the quantum and human consciousness and expand the limitations of science. So they're trying to just break open, walk into uncharted territory. Scientific research and scientific discoveries. The Microconsciousness Quantum Research Center builds a bridge between basic science and applied technology. So it's a merger between basic science and applied technology, closely connecting the theoretical research of basic science and the practice of applied technology. So they're trying to bring the theoretical science research and the practical applied technology together. It not only focuses on basic science research, but also promotes a range of innovative technologies in practice and actively facilitates the transfer from research results to practical applications. From the vision of globalization, the center will integrate the world's top resources and gather talents from the world, and is connected to becoming an international innovation platform for quantum. So this is just news, guys. We're trying to break down Micro-Consciousness Quantum Research Center, what they're going to be doing there, where they are founded, where they're coming from, and where they're going, okay? Okay, so there you see a picture there. The core research direction of micro-consciousness, okay? Let me see. Quantum Research Center. Quantum Research Center, Quantum Computing and Consciousness Model, utilizing the principles and advantages of quantum computing to research the nature of the consciousness phenomenon, build a quantum algorithm to simulate the dynamic behavior of neuronal network and the brain's activities in cognition, perception, and decision-making. The goal is to develop quantum models of consciousness capable of performing highly complex tasks which may include but are not limited to emotion recognition, creative thinking, simulations, and quantitative analysis of states of consciousness. There is a lot there. Brain computer interface technology. These things, what are they trying to do? Exciting, right? Brain computer interface technology. That sounds so good. So you can see like a brain, a picture of the brain just under my video. There's the picture of the brain, and you can also see that it seems like a brain with a chip inside. So let me read further. Exploring the theoretical framework and practice for the integration of consciousness and machine, researching and developing the next generation intelligent interface, develop high precision quantum sensors for monitoring brain activities. Okay. Sensors for monitoring brain activities. At the same time, utilize quantum encryption technology to ensure the security of data transmission during brain-computer interaction. In addition, explores the use of quantum computing processing capabilities to decode brain signals in real time to achieve more efficient human-machine interaction, laying a solid foundation for future human interactions. There you go. Exactly. So yeah, welcome to the live broadcast. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So there you go, guys. So let's move on to the next slide. This is slide number 9. Big data. So we're still with their research direction. Big data, AI, and quantum consciousness, simulating the working mechanism of the human brain, combining quantum computing with artificial intelligence to build a new generation of intelligent systems, creating a quantum enhanced AI system, and unlocking the mysteries of consciousness and the quantum world. Promote the application of quantum computing in simulating brain functions and optimizing machine learning algorithms, and explore the use of quantum features to enhance the cognitive ability and creativity of AI in a bid to develop a humanoid AI system based on quantum consciousness to open a new era of intelligence. Quantum driven generative consciousness. Number 4, explore the potential connection between the conscious phenomenon and the principles of quantum physics, understand the nature of consciousness at the quantum level. There is a lot of quantum and consciousness in this in this presentation, right? Almost can get your head to start spinning. Yeah. There you go. So let's get it. Yeah, there's a lot of quantum this, quantum this. So yeah, construct a cross-disciplinary technical theoretical system and provide theoretical support for the development of consciousness science. Okay, that is good. There's a lot of consciousness there, right? Technical analysis. So there you go. So this is a long-term trend. Technical analysis. I'm just going to break down for you. So a long-term trend. So the stock was greatly affected by the news, reaching as high as $715 at the end of 2022, with an increase of up to 5 times. So you can see that the line is kind of flat. So that's 700, that almost 800, right? So, okay. with an increase of up to 5 times. In September of 2023, there was also a more than double increase, and in December 2023, there was also a more than double increase. The highest increase this time was 700% due to the impact of the news, very attractive to the market's attention. So we're talking about the news that just came out now, with the 700% jump. So you can really see over here. Okay, so that is our day chart. We also have some candles there. On the daily chart, there is support around $6.3. Okay, so you can see that a stock there $6. So it's around if you follow the blue line, just above the blue line, you can see there is a candle there, a green candle. Okay, let's move on. 30 minutes, so that is 1 day chart. So let's take at the 30-minute chart. So this is what happened in 30 minutes. There is an upward trend on the 30-minute chart. So you can obviously see, guys, the green line. There is an upward trend over there. There's an upward trend from as low as $1.560, and you can really see that in 30 minutes there was an upsurge in the stock's pricing. Okay, you can also see there that we do have that big candle, that big green candle, there as well. So basically it did good. This is for 30 minutes. Let's go now. A 5-minute chart. Okay, short-term opportunity, 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, it seems safer to return to around $5 before making a purchase. Okay, return around $5 before making the purchase. So you can safely see that the stock has gone up. It's obviously we're at the beginning there. You can see that at $5, once it reached $5 from $1.5, from $1.5, once it reached $5, the stock kept going up. Of course, there were some some slight declines, but it kept going up, declines and going up, and slight declines, and just maintaining that above 5 price range. At one time, you can see there, guys, it actually reached the highest. If you go on that green candle, the highest it reached was $15. Okay, but it came down though. Okay, let's go. So let's see what else we have. I have something for you. What is MicroAlgo MMG? Close. Okay. Let me see what I have for you. So I want to go to Yahoo Finance. Allow me to go there, and I want to see micro. Let's see. You're just searching for something here on Yahoo Finance. See what comes out. Okay, let me see. I think I should do something here. Give me a moment, guys. How are you doing? There is a page that I will need to go back and see. Oh, MLGO. Yeah. So you're supposed to write MLGO. That is if you want to find them on finance, MLGO. MLGO. Yep, just like that. Just then came out. MLGO. Let's see MLGO. Interesting. This is yesterday as well. We're seeing that previously on the chart that I have, guys. The chart that I have on my presentation. Let me show you guys the chart that I have on my app. There was a jump, right? And it closed. You can see on this chart, it closed at $8.70. Let me show you something of interest. This is yesterday. This chart. Okay, let me just do that. Let me go and edit. Welcome to the live broadcast. How are you guys doing? Okay, so allow me to just, okay, one just there. Give me a few seconds. There you go. So let me input that. I want to show you what the latest has been, okay? If I can actually put it side by side. Oh, yeah, I can actually put it side by side with this one. So let me move my, let me make it smaller. Let me try to, let me put it side by side. So you can see I did a side by side. So there you go. So this is the stock on another day. The one that I just added, this which is under my video. The one that I just added, that is also MicroAlgo. This is from yesterday, and I really want you guys to pay attention to when it closed. Okay, when it closed the previous day on the other image that I have, it closed on at 870. This is when it closed. The stock price was at 870, and there was a decline. But yesterday it closed at $5.70, which is a bit lower, which is like $3 less compared to the closing figure of the image on the side there. And you can also see that but interestingly enough, after hours, that is 7 p.m., right? After hours, 7 p.m. You can see that actually the stock had gained, because when it closed for day trading, when it closed at 5.59, which was a decline, from, I think, when it opened. I do not have the opening figures, but which was a decline. By the time they closed for day trading, it was at $5.59, which was a decline of 1.38%. So it really didn't move. It just declined by 1.38 dollars, which is a 19.80% decline. It was just a slight decline of about $1. But then when it eventually just closed after hours, then it gained by just 11 cents, which is plus 1.97%. Okay, so this, I just took it from this one that I'm moving right now. This one I took it from Yahoo Finance. You can go there as well and see how the stocks are performing. You can also change to candle. You can also change. I think for now we're yet to all the information has not yet been published. It's not available as yet, but I would have preferred to just give you guys a more. Okay, so our markets open in 7 hours, 24 minutes. So I'm thinking when markets open, we will have the whole data. So previous close, so yesterday's close was 570. Previous close was 697. Previous close of previous close was that 870. Okay. So it declined ever since it closed for 870. The next closing figures have declined because before it closed at 570. The previous date closed at 690. So the closing price for the 2 days after it closed at 870, they have been on a decline. I don't know if I'm making sense right now. I'm making sense to myself. Okay, so let me remove this. Yes, so there we go. So how are you guys doing? So let's move on with the live broadcast. So let's go. Let's move on with the live broadcast. Okay, let's see the summary though. Let's talk about the summary. Let's go about potential stock targets. Let me bring my picture down here. Potential stock targets. Okay, there you go. So let's go. Potential stock targets. Company profile. MicroCloud Hologram Inc. focuses on the research and application of holographic technology. The company has always been committed to providing leading holographic technology services to global customers. The company also provides holographic digital twin technology services. Help me out with that, guys, in the comments. To customers, and has established a holographic digital twin technology resource library. So there is their valuation there. 1,000. Why you tell me? What is this? This is a heavily valued stock. Oh my God. There you go. That is their data or data. I don't know how you guys say it, but it's a technology company, so you wouldn't be surprised with the prices. So definitely they closed under one. They closed under 1.67. January 5, June 5 market open. So this is they opened at this price. Okay, let me just go back closer. Okay, so they opened at 1.6700. This is when they opened. Okay, let's go. Potential stock targets, company analysis. MicroCloud Holography has advanced holographic technology, providing food chain services for the comprehensive development of cultural tourism, exhibition, entertainment, and other regions, as well as the landing and construction of visual objects, visual project, holographic display. Naked Eye 3D holographic display screen is an advanced display technology. When the audience views the hologram, the beam of light is processed to form a three-dimensional light field, presenting a three-dimensional light image. Holographic displays are mainly used in fields such as scientific research, virtual reality, and the entertainment industry. In scientific research, it can be used to create three-dimensional anatomical models to simulate complex physical phenomena. In the field of virtual reality, it can create more realistic virtual environments. So virtual reality, okay, just creating something that seems real, but it's not. Virtual environments in the entertainment industry, it can create more immersive games and film and television. Okay, it's all about tricking the eye. Okay, there you go. Let me put it down here. I should move myself. Let me just go like that. Potential stock targets, company analysis. Microcar holography has advanced holographic technology providing full chain services for the comprehensive development of cultural tourism, exhibition, entertainment in other regions, as well as landing the construction of video projects. I think this is on the previous one. Oh, we talked about holographic display screen technology, holographic laser projection technology. So we have holographic laser projection technology. What is this? Holographic, you can see on the images there, you have an idea of what holographic laser projection technology is. Holographic projection technology is an advanced image display technology that records and reproduces the true three-dimensional image of an object. Viewers can view the real three-dimensional image from different angles without the need for any special glasses or equipment. Holographic projection technology has been widely applied in various fields. In the entertainment industry, it is used to create holographic performances, virtual games, and immersive film and television experiences. In the field of medicine, it can be used for anatomy, teaching, medical image display, and surgical simulation. In the fields of engineering and design, it can be used to showcase product models, architectural design, and engineering simulations. Okay, holographic showcase technology. Holographic showcase technology is a remarkable new display technology that uses holographic projection technology to project real 3D images into the interior of the showcase, bringing realistic three-dimensional effects to people. Holographic showcase technology has a wide range of applications in both commercial and retail fields, displaying products in retail stores to attract customers' attention and enhance the brand image and appeal of the store. In exhibitions and events, it is used to showcase technology, artistic works, etc., bringing a brand new viewing experience to the audience. The audience want to see something new, right? Something unique. And you have to respect these technology companies, though. So that is potential stock targets, technical analysis. There you go. There you go. On the 1 day chart, it appears that there is some abnormal amplification in the trading volume. Yes, 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 you can see that. It looks abnormal here. And then potential stop targets. So this is a 30-minute chart. From the 30-minute chart, consider buying at a low of 1.5 to 1.68. Then you should buy at there. We're waiting for the possibility of the stock exploding. So it has potential to explode. It's because it's now beginning to rise. It has stabilized, it's now beginning to rise. So it might explode. Who knows? Text me signals. So I also want to show you something else, guys. Let me see. I want to show you something else here. Not Xylem. I did Xylem yesterday. I just want to talk to you about everything that I've been talking in the live broadcast. Okay. Let me try to sign in. And let's see what we have here. I like Yahoo Finance on it. You really read a lot. You can also read Investopedia. June 4, today is June what? Today is June 6, right? Today is 6, I think, June 7. Let me continue reading. Um, this is WiMi announced is joint. Did read about this. It's also in my presentation, but it's longer. It's very, very long. Basically, everything I was talking about. Um, so they're doing it in collaboration with research institutes in China. This is a very, very long um, article. It's been sourced or cited from someone else. Basically, I also have this one in my presentation. Okay, research and okay. So I wanted to read this one, guys. MicroAlgo MEG stock source usually on a research collaboration initiative with stock telegraph. Let me just put it in the live broadcast and I will read it. Unfortunately, I cannot put all of it in there. I hope it will fit though. Let me add it in so that you guys can know what I'm reading. Give me a moment. Let me put in the, let's see. Let's see what comes out. It's not coming out actually. It's okay. Give me a second. Not this one. Okay, I'll just read it for you. So, MicroAlgo Inc. stock surge on US markets today following the company's announcement of a joint research initiative focused on microconsciousness and quantum mechanics. We already talked about this. The unveiling of the Microconsciousness Quantum Research Center, together with MicroAlgo MLGO, intends to construct a groundbreaking research facility devoted to using quantum theory to unravel the secrets. It's a long article, but you guys can go and watch it. I wanted to show it to you, but I don't know what's happening. So let's delete it. I just wanted to show it to you, but it's not coming out. It's not coming out. Do you have any questions, guys? Any questions? Any questions? Type in the chat. You guys are always quiet when so if you want to learn more, guys, better stocks and just have a simple discussion, please follow. Please text us, send us a message as well. Okay, and go read further on this company. Go read further. There's interesting news. This company, these stocks are going to be valuable for the meantime in these next coming weeks because of this news that came out of them coming together with these guys with WiMi. I also want to look at WiMi. I wanted to see what WiMi, their stock, how it performed. Let me type WiMi. Let's see WiMi. Let's see how they've been doing. Okay. Not bad at all, not bad. Not many major movements on YMI. So I cannot show it, but I'll show it later. So yep, guys, we've reached the end. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure that you share, make sure that you comment. I don't like doing the live stream by myself, okay? So if you want the presentation, please tell me. Make sure that you send me a message. If you want the presentation, we'll give you the presentation. So basically, guys, this is just a case study, taking a company, breaking it down, breaking it apart, current news, what's going on in the company, what are the initiatives, who are they doing business with, what is the valuation of their stocks. So it's more of like a case study. This is what we do over here, okay? So I will see you guys in next week. I wanted to show you this one. Let me see if I can show you why my means something else where I live. If you say why am I here where I live, it means something else. Let's try to see if I can put this one into the presentation so that you can also see why since these companies we're talking about uh, uh, similar companies. Let me see if the WiMi Yahoo Finance page can come out. Okay, let's go. I hope it will come out. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so this is for WiMi. This is what they've been currently, as of yesterday. This is how they have been trading like. This is the valuation of their stock. You can see not much has really changed in terms of, because we only have data for when the stock closed for day trading and then after hours. So you can really see that there wasn't the shift was just small. I don't have data for the rest of the whole trading line chart. I don't have it. But I just wanted to show you guys that this is this is the people that the other company is doing business with. So this is why my stocks performance, maybe I need to log in to sign in for me to get all of the chart. I'll try to see if I can sign in next time. So in a nutshell, that is what they look like. They WiMi Hologram Cloud Inc. You can also go look them up. So this is for one day. I think I need to sign in to see if I can, I can get the full, the whole analysis of their stocks and how the stock performed on that day. I'm only having uh, the price at closing that I wanted to show you how they're doing. So anyway, guys, talk to you next time. Let me try to figure out how to do these things. So we'll see you next time, guys. Thank you for coming and watching.